So this is what we got. Speakman shower valve S-2231 or whatever. So I got all the body assembly off, but I get the stem off for a minute. The stem is just spinning in there. Okay, light back please. My lighting assistant's doing so well. The whole body is moving. I don't think that's good, is it? And I can't get the stem out. It just spins. There's a little cotter pin of some sort that I pulled out and freed up. Freed up underneath, so that's not holding it in. Me and my lighting crew are a little off. But, so I don't know. Help me out here. I have a feeling I'm going to have to open up that wall. I don't want to. So, lighting. So, any suggestions, if you could ask people you know, would be great. So,
How?
thank you.